What's going on, everybody? Welcome back to another video. Thanks for tuning in. Friday afternoon, just clocked out, heading to the gym. It's gonna be a chest day for me, push day. So chest and triceps, but I'm excited for the weekend. No big plans this weekend. Sheesh. Clean. Yeah, no big plans for me, just chilling. Gonna try and record some content this weekend, but yeah, hope you had a good week. Hope work was well for you, school was well for you, whatever you did this week. If you're on summer break, hope you're enjoying it. August 1st today, crazy. July flew by. But anyways, just wanted to say thanks for tuning in, thanks for watching, supporting the channel here at Bmw M4. And not much to it today. Beautiful day. I'm happy to be off work and go chase the gym. We made it to the gym on a Friday afternoon. Hopefully it's not packed. It typically isn't on a a Friday afternoon, but you never know. So, yeah. Park down here, trying to not be under a tree. I've been getting sap all over the car lately. Not sure where it's coming from, but I would assume from here. But yeah, anyways. I did have a few beers last night, so I'm gonna sit my ass in the sauna and we're gonna sweat at the end of the workout. So, not looking forward to this. Should be fun, but who knows? So I did take the car for about an hour and a half drive both ways, so 3 hours round trip last night. Down to the lake at my buddy's house, and car got a little dirty, got bugs all over it, so it's due for a wash. But overall solid drive down there. Kind of hit some rocks on the way, but yeah. So anyways, that's all for this time, guys. I appreciate you watching. If you haven't already, hit that sub button. Tune in for the next video, and I will see you next time. Peace.